8th standard English grammar we are going to do today. So today yesterday we have started the grammar part. So today we will go the exercises. So first exercise we are going to see in the page number 2. You can note down this in your grammar book. So draw one line under the subject and 2 lines under the predicate in each of the following simple sentences. So one line you have to put for the subject and 2 lines for the predicate. Already one has been given for us in the example. So next one we are going to see. So flowers of various colors bloom in my garden. So here flowers is the subject and bloom in my garden is the predicate. During the winter, squirrels hibernate for short periods. So winter and squirrels are subject and hibernate for short periods are predicates. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. So triangle is a subject and has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles are predicate. So you have to put 2 lines for the predicate and 1 line for the subject. Knowledge is power, knowledge is subject and is power is a predicate. The deer ran swiftly in the forest for its life. Deer is a subject, ran swiftly in the forest for its life is a predicate. Many hot days were recorded by the meteorological department this year. So hot is a subject and days were recorded by the meteorological department this year is a predicate. So in the second Roman letter we can see that make simple sentences by matching each group of words in set A with a group of words in set B. Write the number of set A in the parenthesis before that group of words in the set B that completes the sentences. The first one is the example. So here are some examples. First set of example given in set A and second set of sentences given in the set B. So you have to match the first set with the set A with the set B with the words given here. So you can put the number in the bracket given there. So one has been done for us. So a prominent architect designed our school. This is one done for us. A prominent architect is in set A and here you can see the designed our school is in the set B. Okay, now you can see here travel and communication have changed since colonial days. A big locomotive and 3 is he pulled the freight car down the track. Libraries and museums supply us with a key to knowledge. Throngs of tourists appeared at the old ship. As collection of old coins won the hobby contest. Many of the birds have flown southwards. In the New York City are many tall buildings. Before the historic church are standing 2 tourists. Coarse black bread was their only food. And in the next page we can see that complex sentences has been given. Some examples are given and we will go for the exercise 1. Complete the table by writing the main clause, subordinate clause and the connector in each of the following complex sentences. So I have just marked in the questions itself. In the next page we will see how to write. One is done. Murthy was tired after he had collected the specimens all day. So main clause, connector and subordinate clause just I have written in short form. C, SC and MC. C is a connector, SC is a subordinate clause and MC is a main clause. While Asha studied the map, Hasina took a compass bearing. So while is connecting the 2 sentences. So while is used before itself. While is a connector. So you have to put C there. Asha studied the map is a subordinate clause. Asha studied the map. It doesn't give any complete sentence. Hasina took a compass bearing. It is a full sentence, so it is a main clause. Before starting, she told her mother where she was going. So before starting, she told her mother is a main clause. Where is a connector and she was going as a subordinate clause. Although dinosaurs became extinct long ago, we can study their fossils remaining. So although is a connector dinosaurs become extinct long ago as a subordinate class. We can study their fossils remaining as a main class. And here fourth one is given here. Show the policeman where the place you found the box. So show the policeman is the main clause, and where is the connector clause? You found the box is a subordinate clause. Okay, now here is a tabular column given with the main clause, connector and subordinate clause. So since I didn't write anything, but you people have to take the sentences and write in the tabular column. How you have to write, I will tell now. The first sentences we can see, where is the main clause? Hasina took a compass bearing is the main clause. So first one, number 1 is given, there you have to write Hasina took a compass bearing in the main clause. What is the connector there? While is the connector. So in the connector you have to put while. And subordinate clause, what is the subordinate clause in the first one? Asha studied the map, that is a subordinate clause, so you have to write that in the subordinate clause and put a line using a scale. Then only you will not be confused. And in the number 2, what is the main clause given? Before starting, she told her mother is the main clause. In the number 2, you have to write there. Connector is the C, where is the connector. So you have to write the where. Subordinate clause is was she was going. So you have to write, put a line. Then for you can divide and put before itself, we can draw 4 lines and you can start writing. Then the lines will be, space will be equal for you to write easily. The third one, although is a connector. In third connector, you have to write the although. Dinosaurs became extinct long ago as a subordinate class. You have to write in the subordinate class. We can study their fossil remainings is the main class, and you have to write in the main class. Then the fourth one is show the policeman the place where you found the box. In that sentence, show the policeman is the main clause. You have to write in the fourth one. Where is the connector? In the connector place, you have to write where you found the box is a subordinate class. You have to write in the subordinate class box. And this box has been completed. The next one, compound sentences example has been given here. Underline the independent clause and draw boxes around the connect the clause. So I didn't draw the line, except the boxes you have to put the line. Okay, and you have to use this semicolon. You have to take down and write there. So since I didn't do, just to show you, I have just put the box, but you have to take down and write it. So candles gleamed from all the window. Silence regained. So that is the connector. So you have to draw the box that connect the clauses. Okay. So but is the connector here. Blend low or you may bump your head. So or is the connector here. The teacher asked many questions, but Jayaraman answered them all. So but is the connector here. You come in time, otherwise you will miss your chance. Otherwise is the connector. Nagesh had only a minor role in the drama, but he did it well. But is the connector here. Okay. In the next fifth Roman letter, you can see that using any of the connecting words but, and, or nor. Combine each pair of simple sentences to form a compound sentences. Here just I have given the what is the connecting word. You have to take down the full sentences and write in the dash. So a strong wind blew, full stop, the clothes dried quickly. The strong wind blew and the clothes dried quickly. So after and you have to use only the small letter. After the connector you have to use the small letter only, not the capital letter. Since after the full stop always we must use the capital, they have given in the capital letter. But after the connecting letters in the continuous sentences you must not write in the capital letter except for the nouns. Okay, so a strong wind blew and the clothes dried quickly. So compulsorily you have to take down and write. So since I have to write fully, I have just put an arrow mark and I have written the connecting word, but you have to write fully only. Add sugar to the tea, it will taste better. Add sugar to the tea and it will taste better. So I must be in a small letter while writing the answer. Don't you know the meaning of the word? Must you consult the dictionary? So don't you know the meaning of the word, or Must you, or you must also can write, consult the dictionary. So here or is a connecting word. The conductor gave me the whistle. The driver started the bus. The conductor gave the whistle and the driver started the bus. Our family is going to Ooty. Our neighbors are going to Bangalore. Our family is going to Ooty, but our neighbors are going to Bangalore. Ooty and Bangalore, the first letter is a capital letter. You can note down because it is a noun. And as a connecting word is a but. Is after but you must write R, O in a small letter only. Okay children, so without making mistake, you can note down this in your grammar book. Thank you.